This is not the ideal setup here. Marsh is all frozen. The decoys is bunched up together too much, too close. I tried to break all that ice. It's like 2 inches thick. It just won't break with a stick. It's 17 degrees. It feels like it's 8. The wind is blowing. Snow is starting to come in a little bit. Getting a few flakes here and there. It's the last day of duck hunting. We had 2 wood ducks fly over our head. They weren't planning on landing at all. Try to call them in, but no luck there. We'll see. What's that up there? That ain't no duck. Look at that. Look at all that. Woo!